So I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito.
Si Bato.
Nananawagan po kami sa lahat po ng ating nakikinig ngayon. I'm in the Senate with the other senators. We're having a caucus. Nabalitaan po namin na allegedly may mga taga-NBI na gustong pumasok. We nakita na nagbabarena ng pinto galing ng walls galing dun sa GSIS side. So we have our security here. Papasalamat kami sa PNP, outside and inside meron. Nandito ang Marines, but ito po ang emergency. Nagkaputukan na po. May report ako from the Sergeant at Arms. So NBI is denying na tao nila, pero nagkaputukan na. So we don't know what's happening. Everyone's locked in their rooms now. We cannot go out. We cannot secure our other staff. Senator Bato, Senator are together. Walang sumasagot from the government, from us. This is the Senate of the Philippines. This is the Senate of the Philippines. May putukan na po dito. So sa lahat ng nakikinig, please, DND, DILG, what is happening? NBI, what is happening? Why are we under attack here? I don't know what's happening. But I do not know if I can keep my people safe here. I'm willing to go out. I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you, you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please help us. Please let us know what is happening here. I will repeat po, kinonfirm ng ating Sergeant at Arms na nagkaputukan na po. Many senators here have the numbers of the AFP Chief of Staff, etc. We're trying to get in touch, no? So far po, nagpe-perform yung Marines dito, yung OSAA, yung police sa labas. But inside the building, we do not know what's happening. I'm sorry, I have to do it this way. Hindi po namin malaman kung ano nangyayari. So, I'm relying on your prayers po, and I'm relying kung may nakikinig from the government here, what is happening po dito sa Senado. We have received the article of impeachment po. It is here. We are having a caucus how we will address that. So why is this happening at bakit may putukan nga dito? Please, someone respond, call us, let us know what's happening. Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Tapos sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. the Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols.